Hey guys, my name is Ben. I'm with Youngblood's RV and Outdoor. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on this awesome floor plan. I think you guys will love it. It's the 2022 Cedar Creek Champagne 38 EKS. Let's go on back here and take a look. This has a outside TV. This does have frameless windows, so that's an extremely nice feature. Over here we have a place for a griddle and an outdoor TV, and a ton of pass-through storage. So let's go ahead and hop inside and we'll show you guys what this unit has to offer. So she's having trouble getting the whole kitchen in the frame because it is so big. We have a 18 cubic foot double door refrigerator. It's gas and electric. And then over here we have a double-sided sink. And let's just take a look at all of the cabinet space that this has. It's actually unbelievable. Over here we have a 4-burner cooktop with a residential stove. And then this actually has a wine cooler. So this thing is unbelievable. One thing I did not mention on the outside, this actually already does have the side and backup and security camera over the door already installed from the factory. So that is a huge benefit. Now that the boss is away, I went ahead and reclined the seats and we're going to take a little break. But this is actually straight across from the flat screen TV mounted on the wall. This does have a fireplace. And then a trifold sofa here that folds out to a bed. And then there's another theater seating over here with your table and chairs. So this does have a touchscreen system that you run everything off of, your lights, your slides, thermostat, everything. So if you look down here, this does actually have a central vac leading up into the bedroom. We're standing in the master bathroom. This does have double vanity, which is extremely nice. This is your on-demand water heater. So as long as you have propane and water, you'll never run out of hot water. I'll step inside the shower. You can see I'm 5'10" and I have a ton of headroom. This is a residential shower nozzle and tons of place to put all of your soap and everything. So porcelain toilet too, by the way. We're in the master bedroom and this does have a king mattress. And behind you, you have a full closet there and a slide, and then tons of drawers for storage. This does have a desk, so if you live in an RV full-time or you just need a getaway for an office, this would be the perfect fit. This does have washer dryer prep. You could put a combo unit in there. So this has a ton of features and we would love to show you guys what and all it has to offer. You can visit our website, www.youngbloodrv.com.